Hey Diamonds, it's Jamequa Stevens and welcome to my channel where I show you the ins and outs of what it means to be an entrepreneur. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can find your HEX color. It's important to know your HEX color for your business so that you can be consistent on all platforms. When your customers see your colors, they should know, okay, that's her business. You don't want to confuse your customers and they don't know how to recognize your business. It brings brand identity and brand awareness to your business. It will build loyal clientele and they will trust your business. Before I get into this video, make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell to get notified every time I upload. Now let's get to finding your HEX color. For example, my HEX color for the pink that I use in my business is hashtag F780 and it will give you this color pink. I don't want to use any other color pink in my business. Using the same pink on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, that's brand consistency. I don't want to be using green one day and then turn around and use purple another day. My customers are going to get confused, like, who is this? I thought her colors was this and now today is this. How do I even know I can trust her as a business? Because she can't even stay consistent. Let's get into this video. Your brand identity does include your colors. So you want your colors to be consistent. So an easy way to do it is go to canva.com because it's free. And you can scroll down to any Instagram post. Now, this is what I would do if I was trying to find my HEX colors. We're going to go to shapes and keep it real simple. For my brand, I have pink, black, white, and gold. So that's 4 colors. You just want to duplicate this 3 more times. Right here, here, and here. You want to click on one of them, click on this right here, and then go to new color. Then it's going to bring up this box right here. This right here is where you will find your HEX code. So this shade of yellow, for example, is hashtag F7D43F. Now this is a universal code on the web. So if you go to, say for instance, Wix and you want to create your website, you can put this code into Wix and it'll bring up this same exact shade of yellow. If you don't know what shade of pink you want, you can move it around and it'll change with the dot. So if you want a real dark pink, you just move it around. And if you want to get out of the pinks, you can move this one too and it'll change the color. So let's change it to purple, kinda. And I want it to be a dark purple. So wherever you go, it's going to show you. So we're going to go to text and we're going to insert some text so we can have text at the bottom of each one. And you're going to save these for your record so you will know exactly what your colors are. And then put another one here and here. Put the HEX code under each color. So again, you wanted this blue, you're going to click on it, go here, and it'll show you right here what your HEX code is. So you're going to copy, paste. Go to the next one, right here, copy, paste. These are the universal HEX codes for each one of these colors. Just to, have it so you can always reference back to it. You want to go to download, PNG, download, and it will save at the bottom left to your computer. So whenever you go to Wix or any other website and they ask you what colors you want to use, You don't have to search for the specific color. You can just put in your HEX code. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you loves later. Bye.